हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज के वीडियो में हम कवर करेंगे बायोलॉजी के टॉपिक माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स का पार्ट 1, जो आपके कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स के लिए काफ़ी हेल्पफुल रहेगा। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं बिना किसी देरी के। लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच इज द कंफर्मेटरी टेस्ट फॉर HIV वायरस कॉजिंग एड्स? द राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी, वेस्टर्न ब्लॉट टेस्ट। Next question, microorganisms are seen only with? The right answer is option C, microscope. Next question, name the virus in bats from Mahabaleshwar cave. The right answer is option A, Nipah virus. Next question, what are viruses? The right answer is option D, total parasites. Next question, who discovered the virus? The right answer is option A, Ivanovsky. The first virus was discovered by Dmitry Ivanovsky in 1892. Next question, what is the genetic material of a virus? The right answer is option C, either DNA or RNA. Next question, bacteria was discovered first by? The right answer is option A, Leeuwenhoek. Next question, xenobiotics which are inherently resistant to microbial attack are called as? The right answer is option B, recalcitrant. Next question, bacteria are grouped under plant because? The right answer is option B, they have cell wall. Next question, what are harmful substances produced by microbes known as? The right answer is option D, toxins. Question number 11. Curd is sour due to the presence of? The right answer is option B, lactic acid. Next question. Which is the smallest form of bacteria among the following? The right answer is option B, cocci. Next question, which of the following microorganisms cause diseases like polio and chickenpox? The right answer is option D, virus. Next question, which one of the following fungi is commonly known as bread mold? The right answer is option B, rhizopus. Next question, which of the following is absent in bacteria? The right answer is option C, mitochondria. Question number 16. What is Ebola? The right answer is option A, virus. Next question. Which type of DNA is found in bacteria? The right answer is option C, circular DNA. Next question. Who is the father of microbiology? The right answer is option B, Leeuwenhoek. His full name is Antony van Leeuwenhoek. Next question, what are the viruses that infect bacteria called? The right answer is option A, bacteriophages. Next question, yeast is an important source of? The right answer is option C, vitamin B. Next question, which bacteria is found in the intestine of human? The right answer is option A, Escherichia coli. Next question, bacteria which convert atmospheric nitrogen into nitrogenous compound are called? The right answer is option B, nitrogen fixing bacteria. Next question, what is the official name of the virus responsible for COVID-19 disease according to WHO? The right answer is option A. It stands for Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome Coronavirus 2. Next question, which bacteria cause food poisoning? The right answer is option D, Clostridium botulinum. Question number 25. What is the name of bacteria which causes tuberculosis? The right answer is option A, Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Next question. which of the following are unicellular organisms? The right answer is option D, all of the above. Algae, fungi and protozoa. All are unicellular organisms. Next question, which of the following statement is not correct? The right answer is option B, viruses can be cultured in any synthetic medium. Viruses obligate इंट्रासेलुलर पैरासाइट्स होते हैं। इसका मतलब है कि उन्हें रेप्लिकेट करने के लिए एक लिविंग होस्ट सेल की ज़रूरत होती है। वो खुद से ग्रो या रेप्लिकेट नहीं कर सकते जब तक उनके पास किसी होस्ट सेल का मशीनरी ना हो। इसलिए उन्हें किसी सिंथेटिक मीडियम में कल्चर करना पॉसिबल नहीं होता। बिना होस्ट सेल के वो ग्रो नहीं कर सकते, तो उनका सिंथेटिक मीडियम में कल्चर हो जाना वाला स्टेटमेंट बिल्कुल गलत है। Question number 28. Which of the following is a free living bacteria that help in nitrogen fixation? The right answer is option A, Azotobacter. Next question. Microorganisms include. The right answer is option C, bacteria, virus, microalgae, fungi and protozoa. Next question. Which one of the following type of microorganism is most widely used in industries? The right answer is option D, bacteria, microalgae and fungi. Last question, what is mushroom? तो दोस्तों ये एक सिंपल सा क्वेश्चन है आपके लिए। मशरूम क्या होता है, इसका आंसर आप कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर लिखकर बताएं। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग। अगर वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो लाइक एंड शेयर करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलें। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। टेक केयर।